On-page SEO is the most important piece to what you're doing for this website. And there's a number of reasons for that, because not only do we need to get it to come up in top position for search using best practices that we're able to identify that work, but also you're looking to convert those users once they get to the site. We don't want people going to the site, going back and going to competitor sites, so we need to capture them. Now, this foundation is what everything is built on. So our segments are based on how you're going to set up your website, from the navigation to the silos to the content that you're putting on the site, as well as optimizing that content. We're going to talk a little bit about blogging. We're also going to show you the code that you're going to want to have on your website for optimal results, and how to optimize that code for the optimal results. Now, requirements are going to be a Gmail or G Suite account, your FB account and business page, as well as an Apple ID. We're going to show you how to get all that. And then we have our tools that we recommend as well. So I'm really looking forward to this segment and showing you how to build the foundation for a solid site.